welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something super important: how money works. You use money every day, but have you ever wondered where it comes from or how it really works? Let's break it down step by step in a super simple way. Let's go. So, what is money? Money is anything we use to buy things or pay for services. It can be cash, coins, or even digital money, like the money in your bank account or mobile wallet. A long time ago, people used to trade goods and services like rice or cow, but that was hard. So, human creates money to make life easier. How do we get money? We usually get money by working. You do a job and someone pay you for your time and skills. That is called income. You can also earn money by selling something like clothes, foods, or services. Some people invest money in business or stocks and earn profit. So, the basic rule is you give value and in return you get money. What do we use money for? We use money to buy things we need, like food, clothes, or a place to live. We also use it for things we want, like games, trips, or hobbies. But here is something important: saving money. If you spend all your money today, you may not have anything for tomorrow. That's why saving is smart. How to make money work for you? Now, here is the cool part: you can make money work for you. How? First, learn to budget. That means planning how to spend your money wisely. Next, start saving regularly. And if you invest that money, it can grow over time. This is called compound interest. It is like it is like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree. The more you learn, the better you get at handling money. So, I'm going to give you some tips to remember: work to earn money, spend wisely, save regularly, invest smartly, keep learning. That's how money works. Simple, right? It's not about how much money you have, but how will you manage it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hey, drop a comment below. That's one things you learned about money today. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.